Hey guys, it's Lo here. So if you guys want to see my thoughts and opinions on the one on only Argan oil moisture repair conditioner, then keep watching. Hey guys, yeah, so it's your girl Ruth Nanda, aka Lo, here back again with another video product review coming through. So if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, and welcome. And if you are returning, well, thanks for stopping through, girl. I appreciate you for stopping through again, okay? So let's get right into this video. Okay, so the product we're going to be reviewing, or I'm going to be talking about, is this one and only Argan oil, diverse from Moroccan argan trees. Is the moisture repair conditioner. So this is what it looks like. And as you guys can tell, you know I like to be cheap. I got it for $3, okay? So yeah, Ulta had this in their little clearance section. I was like, yo, I heard about this brand and it's $3 though, so I'm gonna pick it up. So yeah, guys, I will put videos somewhere on the screen so you guys can see how I'm applying it to my hair and how I work it. The normal, you know how it goes, okay? So yeah, let's get into this video. So it's 12 full ounces. It says no sulfates, no parabens, hydrates and restores moisture, detangles, repairs damage, and color protection, which is all plus, 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 and plus. So this product is really good. So the directions is, or what it says is, a daily conditioner to help reconstruct the hair, detangles and replenishes moisture levels, help condition and smooths the cuticles, repairs split ends, improves shine and manageability, and provides color protection. All things that I think everybody needs in their hair if they're natural or even a relaxed person, okay? We need to keep our hair going and we need the moisture to come through. Yes, push through moisture. Anyway, so the directions is apply a generous amount and distribute evenly to some scalp to the ends, leaving for 1 to 3 minutes and rinse. So let's talk about the price of this. Like I showed you, I got this for, so like I showed you guys, I got it for $3. When I Googled it, yes, this product is $11. According to Walmart's website. So I will definitely link it in the description. Coco, why are you tickling my foot? Sorry. I will leave it in the description box if you guys want to buy it. But I see that it goes all the way up to like $23, $24. They also come in a kit. And they also have a conditioner, a mask. They have a wide range. Like, I heard about the brand. I've never tried it because it is a little pricey. I've never think, but when I seen $3, I was like, why the hell not try it for $3? Clearly it's a good product that is really pricey. It's way more expensive than Shea Moisture, but I mean, the way they act on my hair though, I love this. So I might even, I think that they have a shampoo, so I might even try the shampoo as well, like buy a whole set, the mask and everything, because this product is really, really, really good. So it's a thick consistency. It's gonna probably be in a video, but I'll show you guys here. So real thick consistency, which I really, really like because my hair is thick and I like thick products. So I'm like, hell yeah, okay? And a little goes a long way with this product, which is like surprising because I like to use a lot of product in my hair. I'm not very light-handed when it comes to some of my products. Okay, unless it like really lathers and does its thing. But a little goes a long way with this product. I use a good bit. Like I use it like, I think I used it twice or 3 times. And I still got a good bit in here for maybe 2 or 3 more times. Yeah, not pushing 3. 2 more times for my head. So which is a really, really good thing. But yes, I love it. The smell, it smells like argan oil. Yeah, so if you guys like the smell of argan oil, that's exactly what it smells like, argan oil. And it's a really thick product, so I cannot complain about it. I will give this a 10 out of 10. Applying this onto my hair after I've shampooed and conditioned it and doing it as like a leave-in treatment, I like that. Like I comb through it, it makes my hair really, really soft. The shine is amazing. like low-key, and the fact that it helps repair split ends. I feel like I always go through the split end process. I don't know why, but maybe because I leave my hair rubs against my thing if I do twist outs or braid outs, and it rubs against my shirt, so it tends to knot up or create split ends. So yeah, with this helping with split ends, I think that's a great thing. So I mean, I think I should invest in trying to get the shampoo or the whole line and even the mask, and maybe do a review for you guys on it if I can find it. I know that I've seen it in Burlington as well, and Burlington, don't sleep on Burlington Coat Factory, guys. I don't think it's called Coat Factory anymore, but Burlington, don't sleep on them because they sell a lot of name brand stuff for the low, okay? They even sell high-end makeup brand for the low, so don't you sleep on Burlington. But yeah, I've seen it there, so I'm definitely gonna probably like see if I can find the shampoo to it and try it out and give you guys a review on it. But my thoughts and opinions on this, it's like, sis, you should definitely go get this if you've seen this product. If it's pricey and you can't afford it, you know, I'm frugal McGoogle, don't pick it up if you can't afford it. But if you can't afford it, you can find it like I did for $3. Yes, go get the little $3. Get the $3, get it, because I feel like it's worth it. And yeah, and my hair loves it, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and buy it again when I find stuff that my hair loves. I do not try to not repurchase it, so I'm definitely gonna repurchase this product. So yeah, there's not much to say on this product, and I try to keep my reviews real short and spicy, okay? So yeah, guys, just let me know what you guys think. Have you used this brand before? If you have, let me know what your thoughts are on them. If you've bought it full price, do you think it's worth the price that it is? Like, because with Walmart saying it's $11, I have not physically seen it in the Walmart store. This is Walmart's website that I've seen it for $11. But if you physically seen it in the store and it's charging $20-something, do you guys think it's worth it? Do you not think it's worth it? Like, compared to other high-end like Shea Moisture, do you guys think this is a real go-getter? In my opinion, I like it. Maybe I would never try it if I seen it on the shelf for $20-something. I'm not even gonna hold you. But just let me know your opinion, comment down below, and let me know what you guys think. And also, I want you guys to recommend some other products that you guys like, that you've tried in your hair, so maybe I can go out and get them and maybe give you guys a review and my thoughts on it as well. Or if there's any products that you want me to try that you haven't tried and you just don't feel like buying it, girl, you let me know. But you know I'm cheap, so don't be out here taxing, like going to get this shit that's like $30. Be like, girl, try that. No. These I'm spending with my own coins. These are not sponsored videos, okay? So yeah. I'm just keeping it real. So yeah, guys, until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.